What's up, my YouTube family? Here's Reaper LSE doing a video today on it going down and up, or up and down, however you want to call it. Showing off my bags. Just hit the car wash, best car wash in town, man. You use your debit card, it only costs $5. I've used it up to like 18 minutes, man. They charged me $5. It even has a freaking blower so you can dry it off, which, looking at it closely, I didn't do that good of a job. I always try to do quick. So I do use a pressure washer. I do use a brush. Even wax it. But it comes out pretty good. So without further ado, I'm going to show how it goes down. Got my mini me in here. Say hi, Angel. Hi. Alright, so I'm going to go back here. And we're going to go down first, alright? Alright. That is almost on the floor. What do the gauges say? What does the number say? 40 and 14? Alright. Which one's at 40 though? The top one or the bottom? Okay, so that's the front. And the rear is at 14, so that one really drops down. And we can put them at 0. They have been at 0. You want to go all the way to 0? It just rests on the body a little bit more, so that's at 0. Fully aired out. Fully aired out. I got back problems, so I'm not gonna get that low to show y'all the ground clearance, but it's not touching the ground, but it's pretty much resting on the wheels. Here's the front of it. Front of it looking so mean. It's on the ground. All right. I didn't say air it up yet. I didn't say air it up yet, man. You killing my video. No, I didn't. Put it back down. Kids, man. It's hard to find good help these days. You are anxious. You're anxious, man. You're killing my vibe here. He in there cracking up. It ain't funny, man. I'm trying to make a serious video. Show the people here. Alright. Now we gotta wait till the tank fills up, which shouldn't be that long. Alright. Not yet. Not yet. Alright, so the tank is fully aired up. And now we're gonna go up. Alright, now you can go up. Nice. We almost at monster truck level. Where we at now? The numbers.
157 or 157.
Nice. Okay. 157 air pressure. Looking good. The good thing about this, I like driving like this, even though it looks like a monster truck, but I ain't gotta worry about hitting speed bumps, even though, you know, I still got low profile, so I don't hit them hard, but I ain't scraping nothing. I ain't gotta worry about going over stuff, going over curves. I go over them slow, but I'm not gonna scrape nothing. And I love this, man. I really love this. It's first I got E-bags, then I got coilovers, D2s, and then I had to go with the bag kit. It's a simple setup. You can get D2 coilovers. Let's go down again. I just love that. Alright. You can get D2 coilovers, and then they have a conversion kit. So if you want on a budget like I was, get one thing at a time. Now you just gotta pay somebody to put them in. So I had the stuff, and then I had to wait a little bit, and I got somebody to install them. And then I got somebody to install it right. So, I will be doing a video of the system real soon. I could do a little, should I do a little preview? Nah, I'm not gonna do a preview this time, man. But stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe so that way you stay in tune with all my videos, my upgrades. I will be doing Jag brakes real soon. I got the Jaguar wheels, but these calipers look a little small. I don't like the fitment of the rotor and the caliper, so I have them already. I just need to do it. Be changing out the AC condenser, bigger alternator or more powerful alternator. So stay tuned for those videos. Please like and subscribe, comment as much as you want. What do you want to see? What am I doing wrong? What looks stupid? What looks good? I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do anyway, but I like, people's opinions. They matter sometimes to me. But all right, we're gonna air it up and then we're gonna go. All right, so one more time, let's go up. All right, and we'll come out here and do a little dance, give these people a bow. Let's go, man. I gotta get in the driver's seat. You ain't driving yet. Thank you very much to my helper Angel. Give the people a bow. A bow, a bow. There you go. Thank you. All right. See y'all later.